Hi guys, Venkatramana Academy. This is our channel's name. You're most welcome to this channel. We are in the journey of learning vocabulary in both the languages, English and Hindi, which is very useful for all competitive exams preparations. Daily useful English vocabulary words in Hindi with meanings and example sentences in both the languages. In this session, we are going to learn 10 smart English words through Hindi for daily use and get the fluency by using these words in both the languages. Let's learn the first word in this session. Precipitation. 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 The meaning of this word in English is water falls to the earth's surface. बारिश या वर्षा होना हिंदी में इसके समानार्थी शब्द हैं. Let's see the examples by using this word in both the languages by using. There is a heavy precipitation in some parts of the country. देश के कुछ हिस्सों में भारी वर्षा हो रही है. The second word in this session we are going to learn is persevere. Persevere. The meaning of this word in English is to keep going on in spite of obstacles. अनेक अवरोधों के बावजूद दृढ़ रहना या निरंतर प्रयत्न करना हिंदी में इसके समानार्थी शब्द हैं. Let's see the example sentences. Even though he was tired, he persevered and finished the race. थक जाने के बावजूद उसने दृढ़ रहा ही नहीं बल्कि दौड़ को पूरा भी किया था. The third word in this session we are going to learn. Plunge. Plunge. The meaning of this word in English is to go down suddenly. डुबकी लगाना या गोता लगाना, कूदना हिंदी में इसके समानार्थी शब्द हैं. Let's see the examples by using this word plunge in both the languages. उदाहरण इस प्रकार हैं दोनों भाषाओं में. He took the plunge into the deep end. उसने पानी में गहरे अंत तक डुबकी लगाई थी. The fourth word we are going to learn in this session, in this video. Unleash. 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 The meaning of this word in English is to release a thing or emotion. अपनी भावनाओं को खोल देना या कोई भी वस्तु को छोड़ना या खोल देना. Let's see the examples in both the languages. He unleashed his fury on her. उसने अपने क्रोध को उस पर खोल दिया. He unleashed his fury on her. उसने अपने क्रोध को उस पर खोल दिया. Unleash. The fifth word we are going to learn in this session. The fifth word is like this. Exponentially. Exponentially. The meaning of this word in English is at an increasing rate. तेजी से बढ़ते रहना या बढ़ोतरी होना. Let's see the examples. Example sentences. Since then, the company has grown exponentially. तब से कंपनी ने तेजी से तरक्की की है. तब से कंपनी ने तेजी से तरक्की की है. The sixth word we are going to learn in this session is like this. Arbitrary. Arbitrary. The meaning of this word in English is chosen for no specific reason. मनमाना, अनियंत्रित या स्वेच्छाचारी ये हिंदी में इसके समानार्थ देने वाले शब्द हैं arbitrary. Let's see the examples in both the languages. My choice is always arbitrary. मेरी पसंद हमेशा मनमानी थी. मेरी पसंद हमेशा मनमानी थी. The seventh word we are going to learn in this session, infinitesimal. Infinitesimal. The meaning of this word in English is infinitely small, very tiny, very small thing. अनंत सूक्ष्म या अति सूक्ष्म, ये हिंदी में इसके समानार्थी शब्द हैं. Let's see the examples by using this word in both the languages. Even an infinitesimal change in temperature will be recorded by the equipment. Even an infinitesimal change in temperature will be recorded by the equipment. तापमान में हुए अति सूक्ष्म बदलाव भी उपकरणों से रिकॉर्ड किया जाएगा या किया जाता है. इन्फिनिटेसिमल. The eighth word we are going to learn in this session is like this: corrode. 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 The meaning of this word in English is like this: to be weakened by chemical reactions. Chemical reaction. To be weakened by chemical reaction. क्षय होना या करना या खुरच जाना, ये हिंदी में इसके समानार्थी शब्द हैं. Let's see the examples. Iron tools corrode easily. Iron tools corrode easily. लोहे के उपकरण या सामान आसानी से क्षय हो जाते हैं. आप जानते हैं जंग लग जाता है तो आयरन के सामान जल्दी ही खराब हो जाते हैं, क्षय हो जाते हैं, उसका नाश हो जाता है. Let's learn the ninth word in this session. Expeditiously. Expeditiously. The meaning of this word in English is quickly and efficiently. फुर्ती से, शीघ्रता से या जल्दी से, ये हिंदी में समानार्थ देने वाले शब्द हैं. Let's see the examples by using this word. It has to be done not only expeditiously but fairly. यह काम शीघ्रता से ही नहीं बल्कि न्यायपूर्वक पूरा होना चाहिए. It has to be done not only expeditiously but fairly. The last word of this session or video is like this: simulation. Simulation. The meaning of this word in English is an imitation of real event. किसी असली घटना का अनुकरण करना या नकल करना या अनुरूपता. Let's see the examples by using this word. The pilot's skills are tested through simulation. Precipitation. Persevere. Plunge. Unleash. Exponentially. Arbitrary. Infinitesimal. Corrode. Expeditiously. Simulation.